Latest on the coronavirus here across the First Coast and across the United States tonight. My co-anchor Heather Crawford joins us from her home tonight with a look at what is making headlines right now. Good evening, Heather.
Hi, Jeannie. Well, amidst the pandemic, President Trump tonight announcing that he is halting funding to the World Health Organization, claiming that that group mismanaged and tried to cover up the coronavirus outbreak in China. Some lawmakers, though, are calling his move an attempt to deflect blame. Now, back here at home, Governor Ron DeSantis announcing that more than 1 million N95 masks are on their way to healthcare workers fighting the virus. And in Jacksonville, Mayor Lenny Curry says that more than $3 million in loans has already been distributed to local businesses, with another $20 million on the horizon through VyStar. Jeannie?
Heather, here's a look at the county-by-county breakdown across Northeast Florida tonight. Duval County continues to have the most confirmed cases of the virus at 718 with 14 deaths. That's one new death reported since this time last night. And following behind Duval, St. Johns and Clay counties with the most number of confirmed cases, with no new deaths reported in Clay County. And looking at the numbers reported from this time last night to now, there hasn't been much of an uptick in newly reported cases of the virus. 27 new cases came back in Duval County, but all of the other counties in our area saw maybe less than 3 new cases in the last 24 hours. Now let's compare the number of locally confirmed cases with how many tests have been performed to this point. This is still some relatively good news. The number of positive cases reported ranged between 5 and 8% out of those tested. Now to Southeast Georgia with a look at the current number of confirmed cases there. Ware County has the most reported cases, with 64 coming back positive. 4 people there have died. However, there have been no new reports of deaths from the virus in the past 24 hours. And looking at that last 24 hours, not many new cases to report tonight. Ware did see 6 tests come back positive since last night. Otherwise, the other counties saw 1 or 2 new cases or none at all. Heather?